Last week, President Obama announced a new plan. Some call it amnesty. The technical language for it is deferred action for young people. But he announced a new immigration plan to allow certain individuals in the United States who were brought here as young people to obtain a immigration status called deferred action. And once they obtain that status, they will be able to apply for a work permit as long as they can show the economic need to do it. The initial approval period for that status will be 2 years, but ultimately there's nothing in place that allows that person to adjust status to get a green card or to get U.S. citizenship. It's basically a stopgap measure to help individuals who were brought here through no fault of their own by their parents or others and currently have no immigration status at all. At this point, there's no particular form that the government has designated to apply for this status. In fact, the Immigration Service has issued a memo on June 15th of 2012 telling people, don't apply yet. If you apply right now, your case will be rejected. However, despite that, deferred action is nothing new. It's something that's always existed in the law. And it's just that the President has told the Immigration Service and ICE, the Immigration and Customs Enforcement, that they're to go ahead and approve deferred action status for certain people who qualify. Now these are generally going to be young people between, they need to have come to the U.S. before the age of 16. They need to have lived here for 5 years. They need to have no serious criminal convictions. And they need to be 30 years or younger at the time they apply. And if they meet those qualifications, according to a memo that was issued by Secretary Napolitano of the Department of Homeland Security, they can apply for this status. However, the agency, Citizenship and Immigration Services, says don't apply yet. Give us up to 60 days to announce how we want to receive those applications. However, at our office, we're going ahead and beginning to talk with individuals about putting together those applications, since, again, deferred action is nothing new, and to gather the evidence that will be required in order to support those applications. So it's never too soon to get started on the case, but I would certainly recommend to individuals to follow what immigration is saying and not submit the applications, since they've clearly said they're going to reject them until they state that they want to receive them.